Hi there, welcome to Rock&Muse. My name's Dan, and today I want to talk about the most important asset that you own, time. Let's go. You've no doubt heard that old adage, time is money. Sure, it is. But time is far bigger than that. Time is our greatest asset. Because how we choose to use our time goes on to define us, what we are to become, be it emotionally, physically, spiritually, and of course, financially. English writer and religious thinker William Penn had this inspiring quote that, on the surface, sounds pretty self-explanatory, and it goes, "Time is what we want most, but what we use worst." Pretty succinct. But let's dig a little deeper into its meaning. Oh, to be given more time to get everything done I need to get done today. I need more time to complete this project. I woke up late, I'm chasing the day, I'm feeling stressed. I haven't the time to achieve my ambitions. I'd love to see you, but I don't have the time. And to live a rich and fruitful life means not putting off those things that you know are fundamentally important, such as embracing new knowledge, taking on new challenges, going to the gym. We all know not to waste time, but think about those things you're doing that are helping you work towards your dreams and your goals. Procrastination is the biggest time thief that exists, and there's nothing worse than trying to reason with the monkey brain going off in your head. It makes the easy things hard and the hard things harder. Just do it. Investing one's own time to learn new skills can open a wealth of new, potential paradigm-shifting opportunities. Becoming more financially literate, understanding the function of money, is going to give you the power to make better, astute financial decisions in the future. And remember, if you're not valuing your time and making your time count, how can we expect others to value it either? My friends, time is our greatest asset. Run the day, don't let the day run you. And remember, try to be present with your time. That means don't look back on disappointments, resentments, things you wish you could have changed. Neither worry about a future that is of course unwritten. The here and now is what counts. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. In the meantime, stay strong and inspired.